I had to take off the spring-loaded mud flap when I first bought this truck, and now I have to put it back. And I didn't see any videos on YouTube of how to retension this, so this is what I came up with. We have a come along strapped to something secure, and then we got a cable that runs through there, through the spring hook and then back, and we're gonna tension the spring while someone puts the bolt through, and then basically you just let off the cable and we pull it off, and then it's secure. So I'll set you up here and then you can watch how we do this. Okay, so it's just freshly installed, and that's how you install it. So anyways, please comment below if you got any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.